Hey fams, this week we have three Tina screenings that my choir will be singing at. Anyway, where was I? So we've got three screenings that my choir is going to sing at, and each screening is held in an inner city suburb cinema. So I've never been to any of these cinemas. It's a far cry from our beloved Sunshine Village. Let's see who's here for the choir. It's our alto, some of our tenors, altos, sopranos over here. Okay. This guy is rehearsing for a different performance. Alright, so we are waiting outside. It is 6:12 and the session starts at 6:30, and we have been told to wait outside this exit door. They'll call us in and then we go in, sing our two songs. Okay, first gig done. A little bit hot from that. It was a packed cinema, and some of us stayed back to watch the movie, and some of us are going out for dinner.
Where are we having dinner?
Let's go to Grilled.
Alright, let's go
Yeah?
to Grilled.
Awesome. We're heading out to Grilled.